Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I created this makeup look. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I'm just going to go in with some primer, and I'm going to prime my face and prep it for the foundation. And the foundation I'm going to use is the foundation from Fenty Beauty. So I'm just going to apply that foundation to my face, and I'm just going to work that foundation in. Y'all, this is my favorite foundation. That's why I'm always using it, because I can never find a foundation that beats this foundation. Like, I don't know. This is just the best. So now I'm just going in with my concealer from NARS, and I'm concealing underneath my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and I'm just going in with my beauty blender. And now what we're doing is we're setting that concealer with some powder. I believe this is the powder from Laura Mercier. I usually don't use other powders, but yeah. So we're gonna go on our contour kit, and we're gonna contour them cheeks. Yes, contour them. So I'm just gonna wipe away that powder with my pointed brush, and yeah. Yo, this is my favorite brush. Oh my god, it's my favorite brush. And I'm just gonna wipe away all that powder. And yeah, we're gonna go in with my other Laura Mercier powder. This is the darkest shade, and I'm just setting all around my face with this brush. So I'm just prepping my eyes with some concealer to get ready for the eyeshadow I'm gonna use. And yeah, we're gonna set that with some powder too, so that can be good to go. And the palette I'm using is from Juvia'S, the Masquerade palette. Oh my god, yo, this palette is lit. So I'm just gonna go in with that shade in the color Zobo. So now what we're doing is we're just applying some tape to our eyes. So when we apply our eyeshadow will be nice and crisp. So I'm just blending that color in, and the next color I'm gonna go in with in my palette is the color Zulu, and I'm just gonna apply that on top of the other eyeshadow color we just put on our lids, and we're gonna blend. So the next color I'm going in is the color Fulani, and like I said, we're gonna blend that together and make a nice smoky eye. And with the NARS creamy concealer, I'm just going in with that concealer, and I'm just cutting my crease. So the color we're gonna go in our palette is in the color Molly, and we're just gonna apply that color all over our eyelid, and yeah, just fill in our cut crease. I already applied my lashes as well as my eyeliner off camera. I just didn't feel like it was necessary, and I also have a separate tutorial of how I do that if you wanted to find out how to do it. So now we're just going to go in with our glow kit, and we're going to apply that color to our cheeks. And now I'm just going in with my favorite lip pencil in the color Chestnut, and I'm just going to line my lips up, add some lip gloss, and we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you haven't, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.